University of Antique here in Sibalon, Antique Province. Copan Sports Kalayaan is proud to present Kamao ng Kabataan, sponsored by Senator Loren Ligarda, Congressman Paulo Javier, Congressman A.A. Ligarda, in cooperation with the University of Antique, Mayor Asan Balajay, Director Ray Robredo, Attorney Popo D. Buko, Municipality of Labuan. Also, we would like to thank Mayor Giancarlo Osena, the Municipality of Sibalon, samahan ng mga Pugsigelo Antiqueño or Zamboa, Kusina ni Oye, Hard Knocks Fitness and Boxing Gym, Antique Police, Sibalon Municipal Police, Sibalon Fire Station, Esperantingo Hotel, Buswak in Local Party List, Congressman Ray Florence Reyes, Party List Representative of Anak Kalusugan Party List. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all focus here on our stage for the opening prayer. I am amazed. Ladies and gentlemen, we are requesting everyone to please rise and Miss Anea Catalino. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing.
Many boxers of the Philippines. Kaya ka ba, Antiqueño? Can we produce boxers from the province of Antique? Yes, we can. And so without much ado, nagpasalamat kinabuhi kami ninyo tanan for coming over to the University of Antique and as spectators of this Kamao ng Kabataan. Let the competition begin.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, University of Antique President Dr. Pablo S. Crespo.
Okay. Good afternoon to everyone sa ating mga kasamanuha and to all our guests here today. I'm very honored and thrilled to be part of this Kamao ng Kabataan. Alam nyo, this is a very special day dahil this boxing ring last week nito dumating from the Philippine Sports Commission. Eksakto, it is for fitting for this event. We have two boxing ring. Ito po yung aming initiative ng ating pagpalanggang Center in Loren Ligarda. We will have two boxing ring, one here in the south and one will be placed in the north. Tonight, I also like to invite everyone for the turnover of different sports equipment. This is of course through the initiative of my office and the office of our Senator in Loren Ligarda with cooperation with the Philippine Sports Commission. We have allotted, I think, 20 million for sport equipment for our province for year 2023 and 2024, and for year 2025, na-double natin yan. Year 2025, you will expect we will have a budget of 50 million for sporting events and sporting equipment for our province, for our athletes here in our province of Antique. Siguro, this is one way for me to really show support of our young athletes. Nabalita ko nga na ang ating mga kasamanuha, our Antiqueños, young boxers, have so much potential. Kaya I promise each and every one of you, to the family of our athlete boxers, sa ating mga boxers, I promise each and every one of you, you will get all the support from your congressman in terms of financial support, competitions, among others. Ipagbuti lang natin ang ating ensayo bilang mga boksingero. I am really proud of you as boxers, as Antiqueño boxers, as champions, as winners. So to everyone, I invite each and every of you tonight for this turning over of our various sporting equipment, and of course to watch our main bouts. 5 professional matches will be played later. No, ako po ay excited na manood dito. So to everyone, let's all enjoy this. To all our amateur boxers, to the young ones, and to the teenagers, good luck. Sana hindi masyadong magkasakitan, but it's all about the game, and let's all have fun. This is all for you, this is all for our boxers, and thank you to our University of Antique! Your support all the time, napapagay to everybody. Hindi ko kayo talaga, I cannot thank enough for all the support you're doing to all our events. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give it up for Congressman A.A. Legarda. Sponsored by Senator Lauren Legarda, Congressman Paulo Javier, and Congressman A.A. Legarda, in cooperation with the University of Antique, Mayor Acer Espalagani, Director Ray Roquero, Attorney Popo D. Bugo, and the Municipality of Lawan. Also, we would like to thank Mayor Giancarlo Osenya of the Municipality of Sibalom, sa lahat ng mga boksingerong Antiqueño Sambawa, Kusina ni Oy, Hard Knocks Fitness and Boxing Gym, and the Antique Police, Sibalom Police Station, also Sibalom Fire Station. Ladies and gentlemen, we will start with our amateur boxing event. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, University of Antique. Let the war begin. Ladies and gentlemen, let us first go on. The fighter from the red corner representing Negros Occidental, introducing Arnold Martinez. Fighters under 51 kilograms weight limit. Once again, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, representing Murcia Negros Occidental, with a record of 24 wins, only 2 defeats. Ladies and gentlemen, Arnold Martinez. And his opponent in the red corner, with a record of 10 wins with 1 defeat. Representing Hard Knocks Fitness Boxing Gym, San Jose, Antigua, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for round June, baby. This will be 3 rounds, 2 minutes each round, and 1 minute interval. Officials for this bout, Dan Guedes, Romeo Sumalapa, Gideon Guedes, Henry Boy Sentina, and our supervisor, Aiden Nieves.
Right, Kamang Kabataan is back here in Antique. I'm Kevin Tigre, together with Sir Marco Antonio from
All right, thank you so much, Sir Kevin. Welcome to Antique and welcome to Kamo ng Kabataan ng Kaibigan. So guys, patuloy tayo sa ating bakbakan ngayong hapon.
Alright, ito, from the blue corner, Sir Alfred Martinez, and ito si Gary from the red corner. So, tingnan natin ang napakagandang laban ito.
Alright mga kaibigan, palakpak naman dyan mga kaibigan.
Alright, ito, both boxers sa Stacy Water, 193. Oh! It's a snake. So, nagkapauna dito ni Arnold Martinez. Si partner. Itong si Arnold Orthodox and ito naman si Gary is Southpaw Malaysia.
Derek versus Martinez. Negros versus Antique.
Alright, partner. Ito nagsusumatan. Nagbabasahan muna. Oh! Malaysia. Combination from blue corner.
Alright, partners. Pasensya na, dati ko lang naging announcer ako. At ito, maraming salamat po sa ating napakagandang venue, ang University of Antique. Talaga nga namang, siguro, mga nasa 5 milyon na tayo ngayon, doon dami ng tao.
Yes, partner. So, maraming nanonood and first time kasi dito ba?
Yes. I heard, Kevin, na this is the first time that Antique is having this kind of huge boxing event na professional and amateur.
Yes.
Ganito malaking promotions.
Yes, so guys, at talagang very excited na ako kaya namin.
And kulos ko, KSP partner. So, talaga yung mga
At syempre, partners, hindi magiging posible ito kung wala ang tulong ni Congressman A.A. Ligarda. Syempre, nais-din po natin pasalamatan ang University of Antique President Director Pablo Crespo Jr. Yan, mga future ninong ba yan dito sa Antique?
Karang-karang sa mga dito, partner.
Pero, ito pa rin ang bakbakan natin, mga kasama. The blue corner is fighter pa.
Yung mga Antique, parang review na.
Yes. At mapapansin natin yung mga amateur fighters na to, selected ito. Kaya talagang makasiguro tayo na mahuhusay ang mga panlalaro na ito.
Talagang the best of Antique, the best of Negros.
And syempre, this is also your opportunity to showcase your talent kasi itong promotion ng Combat Sports Kalayaan. Hello! Mapapanood ko sa buong bansa through the official Facebook page of Combat Sports Kalayaan. And the round who won that round, unofficially.
Ngayon namin pagkakas sa pinaka-round partner. And tingnan natin dito sa round 2 kung magiging adjustment nila dito partner.
Siyempre, nais ko natin pasalamatan ang Combat Sports Kalayaan dahil every event na ginagawa talaga naman prestigyoso. Pero ito, talagang natin maglalaro, talagang magkakainitan naman.
Bakbakan na mga kaibigan.
So ito ay Antique versus Negros sa Golden Tala. Taga-Negros yung blue border, taga-Antique naman yung pula. So the Antique is the one in red, Sampo, and the one from Negros, Bata Iñetes, the one in blue. Oh, napakaganda combination mo coming from the boy from Antique. Ang ganda mga combination mo. Uy! Grabe! Parang silver voice buka to ah. Ay,
Ibang meron ito.
bakit The corner by the blue corner. Oh, yeah, they got back for a combination from the red corner.
Hirapan mo kay Francis ito.
At ang kagandahan dito sa kanilang dalawa, they are not abandoning the body. Laging may body siya. Alam mo lang ang importansya ng body siya.
Yes, partner. Napakagandang sit-up nila. From head to body to head. Ang ganda na ginagawa ng mga
Sa sobrang init ng boxing event natin, pati yung dalawa natin kaibigan dito sa baba ng mga ladies. Grabe, sobrang excited nila. Oh. High energy.
napatayo ka na nakatayo.
Hindi sila makapaniwala na nanganap to kayo. Ayun. Magandang in and out movement from the red corner pero bumabakaway itong blue corner. Ha? Bout number 1 pa lang to. Partners, ganito na kainit. Itigil na kaya natin. Okay, dito na. Dito.
Grabe mga ang-board partner. Kaya gusto kong kapakalo. Ito, pinagandaan ng mga boxers. Pinagandaan ng mga body partner. Ang mga moves, yours, ang galing nyo guys.
Uy, pero tumama ng kanan doon si blue corner. So far, ang ganda. Sino nag-matching na itong ang ganda combination. And over round number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, this boxing event is presented to us by Combat Sports. Kaya kudos doon sa matchmaker. Sino kaya matchmaker nito? Si Sir Elorde. Yeah.
Third round, partner, tingnan natin ang magiging adjustment ng mga ibang boxer.
Third and final round. Good luck. Talagang I'm pretty sure that our judges will be having a hard time scoring this bout. At first bout pa lamang po ito.
Yes.
Pero tumama na kanan doon. Itong blue corner.
Ito. Gusto tinawin siya dito sa mga
Grabe yung body work.
Talagang saludo sa mga trainers, coaches. Maraming salamat sa TSK. Maraming salamat sa mga viewers.
At partners ng Kevin, dalawa kami dito, Mark Anthony pangalan namin. Hindi ba na-inform sa iyo na kailangan Mark Anthony din ang pangalan mo?
Babaguhin ko rin ang mga
Yun.
ito, kinukuha ni Lumor sa sipag kami. So,
Hoy, pero kumakalit sa red corner.
hanggang
At ang kagandahan dito sa dalawa natin boxingero, they throw punches in bunches in combination. Hindi sila papato ng pigilin sa laban.
yes, partner. Oh.
Partner Mark Anthony, batiin mo naman yung mga audience natin taga-Antique.
Alright! University of Antique! Palakpak naman dyan! Grabe ito, partner. Itong si Blue Corner talagang gusto ipaglaban ang goal siya eh.
Yes. Pero siyempre, hindi papatalo itong homeboy ng Antique.
Yes. Sige din talaga matibay sa mapakan na to. Ito, grabe.
Combination punches from the red corner.
Ito naman si Blue Corner, makawin siya dito. Matirang-matibay talaga partner. Bawat boxer dito pagod na rin, pero gusto nila ng suntukan partner, walang tatakbo. Walang yayakat, sige, suntukan. Wow!
Nice combination.
Sinigyan nila ang upper partner. Oh, ito. Nice ball shot. Bawi na ang dito sa Blue. Grabe talaga. Grabe na tawag ng dami. Grabe dami na tama ni Blue.
Oh, nice combination from the red Sportsman A.A. Ligarda, the University of Antique, Mayor Asar Balanjay, Director Ray Roquero, Attorney Popo D. Bubo, and the Municipality of Lagwan. This is presented to you by Combat Sports Galean, Business, Kamao, ng Kabataan.
First, Sir Boys, hirapan ng mga judges. First round pa lang yan, ha? Talagang kumapit-kabong ang bakbakan para sa mga kabataan. Salamat, Combat Sports Galagan!
Inatay natin ang ating scorecards. And we would like to call on top of the ring, Congressman A.A. Ligarda to help us award the winner of this bout. Ito na, mainit-init pa mga kaibigan. Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of amateur boxing, we will go to the scorecards. All the 3 judges scored about 29-28 for your winner by unanimous decision. Your winner. Red corner round with Julia Payne.
Congratulations! Ratana Antiquero!
And so on the winner. Once again, we got Congressman A.A. Ligarda to award the winner of this round.
At kung mapapansin mo partner, ang ganito katindi ang ating kamao ng kabataan, dala-dalawang medal. Oo, parang dalawang torneo yung sinalihan mo.
First time. Alright, congrats to boxers.
And thank you so much, Congressman A.A. Ligarda.
Alright, congratulations to the winner. Rob, Joe, Tiger. Napakagandang unang taon pa lang yan, pero grabe. Parang may ganyan na.
Grabe ka